Happy birthday, baby Sky. More birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. We miss you.
Hello, Sky! Happy birthday! Sana huwag kang pasaway pag-gabi mo. And good health.
And we hope you are enjoying your day.
See you soon! Bye!
Happy birthday, Sky! Stay healthy, be a good boy, and see you soon.
And sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Pero matakot ka sa mami at daddy mo. At sana pumili ka ng course na gusto mo. Kasi hanggang ano na yun eh. Hanggang pagtanda na yun eh. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Sky, from Tati Karen.
And Tito Epoy. Be a good boy to your mama, Daga, and Tita Michelle.
We miss you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Happy birthday, Sky!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sky! Regalo ni Mami sa Jollibee.
Happy birthday.
Birthday!
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Bye-bye, Sky. Bye. Si Jollibee. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sky. Love you so much. See you soon, Sky. Yeah. Happy birthday, Sky!
Anong gusto? Dada. Wala pa si Dada. Oh. Si Dada overtime. Mamaya pa uuwi si Dada. Sorry. Oras na ng uwi ni Dada. Mamaya pa yung Dada, ting. Sorry na.
Tapos? Ano nangyari pag-gising? Ha? Tapos?
O yun nga.
Tapos? Ano nangyari?
Nagsusumbong ka, maasim yung strawberry.
Kinilig yun. Kinilig ka.
Oh. Ba't naging... Ba't naging ire?
Do ba do ba do ba do.